What's going on, guys? We're back today and we're gonna be going to one of my friend's house. I gotta go unlock his car. This thing's crusty. I used to work for a towing company. I'm like doing services, AAA. I don't know if you guys are like familiar with that. But yeah, I used to unlock cars, so we're gonna go unlock one of his cars. And I've had this kit for so long, I had it chilling, and man, it's old, but it still works. But yeah. And look at the Miata, man. Look at this. It is looking sick. Except all that freaking, the kit is cool, but freaking I don't know what I did wrong on I don't think I sanded it right, so the paint's not sticking. It also did that with the left side, I believe, the left side, and you know, it wasn't sticking. So freaking, like, there's a piece right here, but that's from like, that's from like the front. Like this one's already, you know, cured. So this side ended up peeling, but what I did is I just ended up sanding it with a higher grit, and it ended up sticking better. And the front, I'm gonna have to redo the front, but right now I'm not too worried about it. I'm just letting it all chip off, so when it does chip off, I go ahead and redo the front. This side skirt never gave me a problem, but it was just this, you know, just the front and then the side. But besides that, the Miata's been doing good. It's looking pretty sick. You know, a lot of people have been telling me that it looks way better with the body kit and all that stuff. But yeah, we're gonna be going to unlock a car real quick, and then we're gonna take off to David's house. That's the guy with the S2000, and go see what he's up to today. Let's go chill out. Also, almost at 300 subscribers. I'm like 4 away. I have big plans for the channel, big plans for what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be making some extra cash, making some like merchandise and car accessories, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I do that. The reason why I'm doing that is I bought another build, which is not a car, but you guys will see. I bought another build, and we're gonna be making some money on the side to, you know, build the build, you know. So we're gonna be buying some stuff, we're gonna be making some more money, we're gonna be I'm gonna be showing you guys everything that I do to speed up the process on the build and keep these videos going and keep the channel going. You know, big plans for the channel. I have a lot of stuff coming in, and you know, I have a lot of more plans, you know, and we're trying to end this year right. We're trying to at least have something ready for January, so we can start making more videos. Usually around this time my job gets slow, so I have a little bit more time to vlog, a little bit more time to, you know, build stuff, stay home, and, you know, start hitting record on the camera. So what we're gonna do right now is just get the day going, and that's it. Stay tuned. I'm just vlogging for the day. Here, hold this shit while I unlock your car. Where the keys at?
Look at the seat.
Damn, hold up. Maybe I don't know if this one will reach, but maybe I could even scoop the key. I don't know, fuck scooping.
Well, good scooping the key. Hell no.
That's the unlock button.
Yeah.
I haven't done this in a cool minute. Alright, so we couldn't get in through there, but I was able to open the trunk. It's gonna fit through a small ass hole. Holy. And this is how you get rid of your homie. What's up, you ugly shit?
What up?
Here, I got you a drink.
What is it?
Sprite.
Sick ass fool.
Now, where's the lean?
The lean? Shit, it's inside the house.
What you guys got going on?
Abe just bought a new project car.
Oh my, he bought that show?
What do you call it? That's Art's old show.
Yeah, I remember seeing it. Hell yeah. Does he bite?
Huh?
Does he bite?
Huh?
Whoa!
Hey.
He's gonna eat me.
Hey. I guess he doesn't like you.
Profit, you know?
Yeah, exactly.
Oh man, stupid
And
GoPro.
I guess he talked to Art, and I guess he wants to rent out just one section.
Daniel should open up his own shop.
Daniel wants to, but he says he's gonna work with Art.
Dude, I love your S2000.
Really? I don't really like it that much right now.
I love it.
I need to get another wing.
Another wing? You don't even have a wing.
I used to.
You put these little gold fucking pieces of tape so it won't leak in there, huh?
Yeah, cause I wanted to wash my car so bad, but
Damn.
I don't water leaking through the trunk. Next year it's gonna get some more parts.
What? What happened to your passenger seat?
I haven't had it for like a long ass time.
You should put a 12-inch sub and then bump 3.6 Mafia while you're freaking.
You know what I traded my seats for?
For what?
I traded them for the wing and the skirts from John.
Ah.
But I sold the wing to Abe, so Abe has the wing now. It's still. Oh, do you see these wheels too?
Which ones?
The ones I just picked up?
The 4x100s?
These ones.
Oh, the front ones? I forget you don't buy the whole sets, huh?
Yeah.
No, they're nice.
5 Zegans, bro, with freaking the caps. These caps are hard to find too. And I picked up for 150 bucks.
I'm about to put those caps on my works.
You see what it says on there though?
What does it say?
5 Zegan. It says try harder.
Damn, bro, how do you fit a socket in here?
Huh?
How do you fit a fucking socket in here?
You got it. Well, I have the key for the lug nuts.
These are so small, dude.
Well, the key I have for the tuner lugs actually fits in there fine, so I don't have to worry about it.
I was like, what the heck? Oh, what are those from? The
R33.
Those are R33 wheels?
Yeah,
those are popping right now.
Yeah, those are Abe's.
My GoPro be acting dumb out of nowhere.
What's that thing on the side of it?
Where's it at?
Oh, it's a light?
Yeah, it's a light, bro. Freaking, so we can see everything better. It does a big difference, watch. So, like, when you turn it off, you turn it on at night. So, when I'm working on my car or something, because you know how it gets dark early?
Yeah.
So, fam, damn, my hair ugly. So, we're out here at freaking headquarters. And we're with the homie David, which is that S2000 that I showed in the garage. We're checking out the simulator, which I don't know where the rest of the simulator's at. Whose chicken is this?
Mine.
Damn.
Sure you don't remember?
Is that IPA?
No. I don't think so. It's a lager.
Fuck it, give me a beer.
Oh, forgot to zip up my fucking pants.
Oh shit.
Yeah, you missed the show.
Let me see the cock.
Maybe off camera.
Alright, let's go.
We're so damn big.
Oh no. Go back to freaking taking some shit apart.
You gotta take the starter off.
Damn.
And then you gotta take off motherfucking... Damn, there's a lot of shit. This is a whole ass gearbox right here.
So how do you put stuff back on?
So this whole clutch, this one doesn't even use a throttle bearing or anything. This one's just, so like, say we buy parts,
Yeah.
gearbox. So that's the whole clutch for that car. Right
Is that
there.
O'Reilly's?
That's O'Reilly's brand.
That's all the parts.
Yeah, fucking...
Up garage.
Dude, you gotta buy a fucking gearbox and shit for this shit.
Alright guys, so I'm back. Freaking earlier I went to go put some gas and stuff, but my GoPro died while I was recording. But I am back, and remember earlier when I was saying that I wanted to make some extra money making accessories? Here's one of the accessories I'm gonna be making. Sorry for my hair, freaking I have long hair. I just never freaking I just leave it down. But yeah, this is what I'm gonna be showing you guys on what we're gonna be doing. Starting off, we're gonna be making some phone cases. We're gonna start with that because that's the easy, and we're gonna be using sublimation. So this is all we need. We need a mat, some empty sublimation phone cases. So when I went to the car meet not that long ago, somebody made this somebody took this picture, and we're technically gonna transfer this onto here. So all I gotta go do real quick is I gotta go print on a piece of sublimation paper, and then I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna slap it on here. Alright, so this is all the stuff we're gonna need. First you need a press, which is this right here. Earlier I was talking about I had to go print it. So I printed it. This is a sublimation paper. I can't touch it on this side because I believe the ink is wet. And then this is the iron-on side. And that's how we're gonna do it. This is a heat tape, whatever. Like, I forgot what kind of tape this is called. But this thing goes up to like 500 degrees. And then we got our iron press. you. Look at that. Now that looks sick. Tell me that does not look sick. That looks pretty cool. It is glossy. It is nice. Just gotta take this off. I did print the picture a little bit short on the sides, but man, this looks amazing. Look at this. I should have probably done it just a little bit bigger, but you gotta admit it, man. This thing looks clean, clean, clean. All you gotta do is just take this off, which has an adhesive in the back of it. And that's all you do. Just literally plug and play. And now I got a phone case that shows my car in the back. Like I said, guys, I'm gonna be making more stuff. Not just these phone cases. These phone cases are what I just planned to make. So I just wanted to practice with one of the pictures of my car. And actually it came out amazing. You know, it's freaking dope. Freaking, I like this. It's clear, it's shiny. Also, guys, don't forget the guy that took a picture of this. He's a good photographer. His name's Shutter Speed on Instagram. I'll type him and his son, his work below. And thank God he took a picture of this, because now I got a phone case with my car on it. And you can't tell me that's not sick. So that's pretty much going to be it for today. That's one of the things that I'm going to start selling is custom cases. Not just custom cases, but if someone places an order where they want something, I'll go ahead and, you know, make it for them. Also, I'm going to be doing a bunch of more cool stuff. I'm just waiting for the machines to come. And that's the way we're going to be doing our builds. And, you know, building them and making more videos for, you know, my channel. So don't forget about that. Stay tuned. Subscribe if you're new. I appreciate all the new subscribers. Like and comment. I will see you guys on the next video. Peace out.